Namaste all, welcome to sound letter relationship video, and today we are going to look into letter D, sound D, and here are few words that begins with D, D that comes in the middle and with the ending D as well as silent D. Shall we go? Now look here, letter D, sound D. In the beginning, dog, sandal, middle, end, and, end, even that is also with the ending D sound. And here you could see how this word is pronounced. This is not Wednesday, this is pronounced as Wednesday. So here D is silent. So the letter D has D sound, and in few words it is silent. Today we have seen letter D and sound D. D is D everywhere but for few silent D in some of the words. So catch you in yet another video. Bye bye.